Hey, good morning. I'm back on the island. So it's gonna be a long week, long couple weeks. So I will do my roof this week, and then I will do a slab as well. I just called the cement, and then hopefully they will have availability to deliver in a couple days. But Mike's gonna come and help me out. All right, let's get started. Little tractor. You see the trailer, it tilts. Simple, isn't it? My parents are in town. They came to see me. Gilles et Nicole, right? Papa, Mama. So the idea is to build a slab, just so I can eventually build like a little shed underneath the container. And also the other idea is to have a little bit more weight at the bottom. So I'm gonna dig probably like 3 feet, you know. So and then have a slab on top. So I calculated I'll put about 5 yards of cement. So that will increase the weight by about 20,000 tons. So this way, the post gonna have 20,000 tons, you know, connected together at the base. So it's gonna make it even stronger, and you know, so that's the intent. All right, Mike is working hard for me. Thanks, Mike, again. Well, after a long day, you know, that's what we need for that win. Having the lobster. Good morning, day 2. Here comes the sun again, going out. So today I'm gonna do the slab underneath the container, pour the cement, and then I will finish the balcony here on this side. So let me show you. Right now we're still taking the stairs. So a bit annoying, but it does the work. So you see, here's the view from the container on the side with the sun. It's not really nice. So let's move around so you can see it. So I'm gonna have a 14 foot wide by 8 foot long in the front, and on the side I'm gonna have about 7 foot on the side, 6 foot on the side by 16, you know, by 16 foot. And right here, right there, it's gonna be the cistern. So the cistern we're gonna build this year, but we're gonna finish the siding and everything, and then we tack the cistern. And then by the time we have the cistern, the inside is going to be completed. So here's my project for the morning. To secure even more the container, even if it's 6 foot in the sand, all to bedrock, and pretty 1 foot column. We wanted to have even more weight at the bottom, right? So I calculated 5 yards here, 5 yards of concrete will be about 20,000 pounds, right? 20,000 pounds. So here's the rebar work I've done early morning. I'm done. So I'm gonna build the siding a little bit because I'm not sure if the concrete might overflow. So I'm just gonna build a siding here a little bit, so in case I have extra concrete, so it's gonna be square and looking good, so it doesn't bleed on the side. All right, that's it. All right, so I did the siding. So now I'm ready for the concrete. Bring it on.